to my channel with Lupita Aide. So as you can see today, I am bringing you my calendar setup for the month of February, and I am so excited for this video because I am using my own stickers that I did. I've been working on them. Well, actually just on this little kit for this month. It took me a couple hours, but this is what I ended up with. I am just learning the sizes. I am just learning everything of that it has to do with making stickers for the Erin Condren Planner. Anyway, so welcome to my channel again. If you are new, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you are returning, thank you for doing so. I am so excited to have you all here. So let's begin. So I already put the stickers just because I wanted to see if it fit and all of that, and I am glad they did. There is a little changes that I might do for next month, like making these a little smaller, and then adjusting the days. Like you can see, Monday is a little closer to Sunday, and a little details that I have to look into. I do not have any measurements of anything, so I have to start from there. Let me just move these away. Okay, let's just add a little bit more of decoration to our calendar. So I'm gonna put this one here, and then this one over here, and there's hearts everywhere. I'm utilizing some stickers that I've been having there for some time. I'm using this sheet, which I forgot where I got it from. So I'm gonna start with my children's birthday. I have two for this month. The first one is my son. His birthday is on the 6th. And then the second one, and I'm using Erin Condren's stickers. And then the second one is my daughter Valerie, which her birthday is on the 11th. So there I have two birthdays for the month of February. And then here, Nathan's birthday. We still don't know what we're gonna do or how we're gonna celebrate, but we'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the days that I work. I'm gonna be using some stickers of Romina Rosa, some from Caffeinated Kate, some from Erin Condren, and there. A whole mixture. Okay, I said I was gonna start with the days I work, but never mind. I'm just gonna put these first. So rent is due on the 1st. And then my paydays are today, which is the 30th of January, and then on the 13th, and on the 27th. And then grocery, it's all over the place. So Grocery, I'm gonna go tomorrow. And then for grocery, I'm just gonna do like on my days off. So I'm gonna wear, and I'm gonna go Wednesday. Yeah, I'm gonna go on Tuesday because I don't want to go on her birthday. And the other 2 weeks, I don't know. Before I was going all Wednesdays because I had things to do on Tuesdays and Thursdays and Mondays. Like that's when I was in school, but now since I'm not going to school, I have all the time to go to the market. And now it's like, when do I go? Anyway, so now let's go to our bills. Okay, so we have our phone due on the 6th. I'm gonna cut this one just so I won't cover the date. There you go. And then Walmart, well, car insurance on the 8th. The gym on the 6th as well. Oh, it's full. Costco. I'm just gonna put it on the 5th. It's actually on the 6th, but I don't have any more space and I do not want to cover my son's birthday thing. Shop Your Way is due on the 13th. And then dentist on the 7th. And St. Jude on the 19th. The internet on the 17th. Chase on the 23rd. I'm gonna cut that one as well. And Walmart on the 22nd. Best Buy on the 23rd. There you go. It's looking nice. What do you guys think? Leave me your comments down below. What do you guys think about my kit? And how is the calendar looking? I hope I can get better at it. But for now, this is how it's looking. I don't remember the days I work, but I'm gonna go on top of my head for what I remember. I know this weekend, for example, I'm gonna work here. And here. And here. And that's all I remember for now. I haven't got my schedule. I mean, I've seen it, but I didn't write it down. So I'm gonna have to write it down and then put it on my planner. So just gonna write it. Work. I apologize if you guys can hear that beeping sound. Is because my dad is changing the alarms for the house, and that is why you guys hear that. Okay, so this is it, guys. Something fast. And yeah, so I know for sure I'm gonna be off here this weekend because I might do something for my kids here, but I still don't know. So, and this is it, guys. There was no story today, only me letting you guys know that I am so excited because I'm using my stickers, or some of my stickers. I am learning how to make and learning how to use the machine and all of that. I still don't know if the sticker paper that I purchased is the correct one, or I don't know, but for now this is what I'm gonna work with. I really hope that you guys like it, and let me know in the comments down below, what do you guys think? Again, I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Bye bye.